Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to export the images from the folder to PowerPoint by using VBA macros. As part of this process, first I created a folder on my desktop. In that folder I provided some images. Thereafter in column A I provided the complete path of the particular image. From the user perspective, you can place the images anywhere in your system, but before executing the macro, user has to provide the complete path in column A. Thereafter, I provided the required measurements in columns B, C, D, E respectively. So first one is the left, second one is top, third one is height, and fourth one is width. So application going to copy the images based on the measurements which we provided in these columns. So let us move to coding part. Click on Visual Basic. This is the complete code. Before executing the macro, I imported Microsoft PowerPoint 16.0 object library. Press F8 to start the debugging. First I declared a variable which is named as PPT app, and object data type is PowerPoint application. Thereafter I mentioned set PPT app is equal to new PowerPoint application, means I am defining new PowerPoint application. Next I am using visual property of PowerPoint object. Here I mentioned PPT app.visible is equal to true. Here we can find at backend PowerPoint is visible on screen. Next I am activating the PPT application. Thereafter I declared a variable which is named as presentation, and object data type is PowerPoint.presentation. Next I added presentation to the PPT application. Here we can find application created the presentation. Next I declared a variable which is named as PPT slide, and object data type is PowerPoint.slide. Here I mentioned slide number as 1. Next I declared a variable for the workbook. Set WKB is equal to active workbook. After that, in that workbook I am defining the input sheet. For that I declared a variable which is named as input sh, and object data type is a worksheet. Set input sh is equal to workbook dot sheets of input sheet. Here sheet name is input sheet. Next I define the last row for the status column. Column F consists of the status. After defining the last row, if last row is not equivalent to 1, then I am clearing the content. Thereafter I am defining the last row for the column A. Here last row is 6. As I have data up to 6th row, application return number as 6. Next I am using the for loop. For that purpose I defined a variable which is named as R. R denotes about the row number. For R is equal to 2 to last row. As I have data from second row, I mentioned 2. Next I am adding the slides to the presentation. Set PPT slide is equal to presentation.slides.add. So I am adding the slide one by one. Already this variable consists of 1. Here we can find application added the slide. Next I am adding the picture to that slide. Here I am providing the path This path denotes about the cell value which is available in first column and second row. For the measurements also, I assign the cell values which I defined here. Here you can find application added the image to the first slide. After completion of the insertion, application returns the confirmation as image exported. Next I am increasing the slide number by 1. Slide number is equal to slide number plus 1. At the end, application returns message as automation completed. This is the presentation view of PowerPoint. I am closing this PPT application. Now let us execute the same process. Click on Export to PPT button. Here we can find application added all the images by creating different slides. In this way, we can export the images from the predefined path to PowerPoint application. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.